If you're watching this right now, this video is intended to let you know that you are moving soon, my friend. There is an intensity that is carrying you forward. And I feel like things are going to really start to take off from here, that you are coming out of your shell and you're finally emerging after all this isolation, all the solitude that you've gone through. Um, it has served a purpose. So now you're ready to emerge as this brand new person, and everything that you have progressed towards is now being unearthed. Like, you're starting to see things in your physical reality from all the hard work. God is finally releasing these blessings to you. So I want to go over what this feeling is all about, this shift you feel inside yourself. If things have felt intense or fast or even confrontational lately, you are not crazy. Something is shifting. There's something profound moving us forward, and it's not subtle. God is making moves, He is reorchestrating everything, and things are finally shifting for so many people into a more positive outlook, even though it feels dystopian and dark right now. Like, it's crazy times, very uncertain, but things get the craziest right before everything starts to come back into balance. So I want you to trust this and to move with it, because you're being pushed to move forward. If things have been stuck or stagnant for quite some time, it eventually has to come to an end. And now you're moving into this flow that's going to carry you forward. It's going to make things a lot easier for you, because it's not like going against the grain or swimming upstream anymore. This thing that has been stuck, you're stagnant, um, your plateau, your whatever you are feeling that has kept you in this rigid, dense state for so long that you're wondering, when is it going to end? It's now moving, because things that are stuck have to eventually move. That's how duality works. So I want you to understand that everything is being exposed at this point. Influences of evil are being exposed, and so that's why things are getting so much louder. The things that you tolerated before now feel unbearable. Conversations are more honest, even if they're uncomfortable, and there's less patience for confusion or waiting. You need an answer now. You need to get ready to move. Pack your bags, start preparing. So this is not soft and subtle. This is like, you have to make a decision. God is forcing you to move forward. So you know what you want now, but you might not be acting on it yet. Maybe you're feeling pulled to move, but you're also resisting, or things are starting to come to a head that you've been avoiding. It's coming up, and you're finally ready to address these things. So the discomfort you feel is not confusion, it's clarity that you haven't acted on yet. It's time to take action. So I want you to go with the sudden urge of to change your routines, to rearrange your life, to take control of your life. If you're feeling bored or trapped or done with certain patterns, it's time to step into a new identity. And wanting something different but not fully defined is that stirring you feel in your spirit. Your soul is stretching, and your current life might feel too small for it. You're coming out of your shell, and now you need to emerge as a different being. And so I want you to not give into any impulsiveness, any self sabotage. Do not run away instead of choosing to take action. And do not overthink. Just take action. Just whatever comes up, whatever you feel called to, or you can't stop thinking about, this is the energy that is asking you to move forward. So some of you are about to fumble this moment by distracting yourselves instead of deciding. So take this message for what it is. Heed my advice and just move forward. Just take that next step that you know you have to take. It's time. So this is not chaos, it is redirection. And this is not pressure, it's alignment trying to happen. And this is not random, it's everything catching up to your awareness. This is why you can't stop thinking about it. This is why in stillness there's a lot that comes bubbling up, because it's time to be addressed, it's time to be integrated, and it's time to heal and move on. You're not being rushed, you're just being moved, okay? So understand that. So stop asking, what should I do? And start asking, what have I already decided but have been avoiding? And then make one decision, take one action, and stop reopening the same loop. It comes back around because you're not taking action. So clarity doesn't need more time, it needs movement, and then the next step will reveal itself. and then the next after that. It's like God is leaving you breadcrumbs, giving you a taste of what's possible if you keep moving forward and you keep taking action and being obedient towards God. So if something is falling apart, it can't come with you. It's being asked to be left behind. If something feels urgent, it's because you've delayed it for long enough. You already know. The only question is, are you going to move? If you're ready to actually develop your intuition and stop second guessing yourself, the Intuitive Alchemy Academy is now in session for its spring term. So I invite you to join. That's linked in the description as well as the pinned comments. Otherwise, I'll leave it at that. If you liked this message or if it was helpful for you, let me know. The full breakdown is linked right here. I'll put that there so that you can go and check it out. Otherwise, I love you so much. Make sure that you like this video and you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.